welcome back to BFHM Gaming. Today I'm going to be doing my second Roblox Studio tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Team Create and also how to publish your game. So let's start with Team Create. So what you need to do is you go to View and then you go to Team Create. So then it'll probably come up with this. So it's publish and enable Team Create to build this place together with your friends. But to turn it on, you actually need to publish the game. So let's call this game. I don't know. Let's just call it Tutorial World. Yeah, and then we can fiddle about with some of the settings once we've done. So once it publishes, you just ignore all of those, then you click turn on, and then it'll rejoin you. So then it kind of makes your game into a kind of server so that you can add your friends. So up here it says invite a friend, so you type in your friend's name. For this one I'm gonna use Supersonic. So yeah, and then Supersonic's gonna join in a second. You might also need to reopen it as well. So and also to join a game that you've been invited to, you go onto My Games, then you click Shared with Me, and then just find one of these. And then so this is the one that me and Supersonic are in. So we're going to be making some stuff, like, so yeah, what do you think we should make?
I don't really mind. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make I'm actually not sure. I'm gonna try and make a house maybe, or just make something.
I think I'm going to make a pig. Yeah. And also this is a tutorial of how to make a pig. It's probably going to be rubbish though, so let's start with the leg. Let's have it... No, let's just make a stupid pig. Let's put a diamond plate. Ridiculously pink. And then, oh, by the way, to duplicate things, you either right click it, and then click duplicate, or you can do Control and D, and then you can just that.
Do you see the poster I put?
That's cool. So, and also to select two parts at once, you hold Shift and click the next one, and then if we duplicate both of those, then you can make it like that. So now I've got the 4 legs of our pig. Let's maybe... So let's drag this bit on top of the legs. Whoa, did you just change the colour of the base plate for a second? Oh yeah, I think it's just because you selected it. Okay, so let's have his body bright green. And then let's just scale it so it fits over all of the legs. And also make it a bit tall. And also, don't forget to anchor these, because I've only just remembered to. Unless you want your pig falling apart, so you just select all of these and anchor them like that. But don't
I just remembered I'm gonna have to do that as well. I'm anchoring it many times.
Yeah. Actually, if you anchor it many times, then... So if you anchor it once, then it becomes anchored. But if you anchor it a second time, then it becomes unanchored. And I think it is actually unanchored. So I'll just...
Okay,
it's anchored now. So yeah, these were the shapes in my first tutorial. And also, let's continue work on this so pig. You might be wondering, if you want him to have a smiley mouth, then how do we do that? And yeah, and I actually thought about that, and yeah, why not just give you, in this video, a mini tutorial about how to use negate and union. So first what you need to do is grab the bit that you want to be his mouth. So just grab a cylinder like that, and then just make it a bit bigger like that. And then if you want to carve out a bit like that, so it looks like a smile, then what you can do is you can duplicate the cylinder and make it a bit smaller. Also, maybe make it another color. So once you've, whoa, what?
I'm not doing anything weird.
Okay, so yeah, so once you've, if it looks like a bit silly, then you can do it. So the black bit is the bit that it will end up with. So once you've done that, you click the bit that you want to carve out. You go to model and you click negate. Then it will turn translucent. And then you select this one as well. Then you click union, and yeah, it kind of worked. But it kind of more looks like, I don't know, like circle or something. I'll make it a bit better. Let's just I don't really know how. Maybe if I do that, yeah, that looks like it looks okay.
Have you seen what I made?
Whoa, that's cool. It's like, yeah. Okay, yeah, so we've got a smile now. So now, just put it on the pig, like this. But, oh no, it's the wrong way round. Let's just make it like that, and rotate it like that. It looks stupid. There.
Looks a bit more like some bull horns.
Yeah, I think I'll actually make it a bit smaller. It kind of looks silly. And then I can make this stupidly red. But then, if you change it to red, it doesn't change. So, you just click this tick box in the properties saying use part color. Then I'll change to that. So, yeah, that's it for this tutorial. And I hope your pig is better than mine. Anyway, goodbye.